Are you curious about the wonders of cooking with whole foods and how it can significantly enhance your health, vitality, and overall well-being? Cooking with Whole Foods for Vibrant Health is your culinary guide to discovering the transformative power of unprocessed, nutrient-rich ingredients. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore the world of whole foods, unveiling the secrets of how they can elevate your culinary experiences while nourishing your body for a vibrant, healthy life. 1. The Whole Foods Enigma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the enigma of whole foods, a category of ingredients known for their health benefits but often shrouded in mystery. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the potential of cooking with these natural, unprocessed treasures. 2. Defining whole foods. Begin by defining what whole foods are and why they matter. Describe how they are in their natural state, unrefined and unprocessed, containing essential nutrients, fiber, and other health-promoting compounds. 3. The nutrient-rich palate. Delve into the importance of cooking with a nutrient-rich palate. Explain how whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support vibrant health. 4. Balancing the plate. Discuss the significance of creating balanced meals with whole foods. Emphasize the importance of combining complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats to ensure optimal nutrition and energy. 5. The art of cooking techniques. Explore the culinary techniques that elevate whole food dishes. Highlight methods like roasting, steaming, and sautéing that enhance flavors and preserve nutrients. 6. Seasonal and local produce. Discuss the value of incorporating seasonal and local produce into your cooking. Share how these ingredients are often fresher and more nutritious, supporting both your health and the environment. 7. Creative whole food recipes. Highlight the joy of experimenting with creative whole food recipes. Share ideas for dishes like grain bowls, colorful salads, and fruit-infused water that bring out the vibrant flavors and health benefits of whole foods. 8. The long-term journey. Conclude with the idea that cooking with whole foods isn't just a short-term trend, it's a lifelong commitment to elevating your culinary experiences while promoting vibrant health and well-being. Encourage readers to view their culinary choices as a long-lasting approach to a healthier, more vital life. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of cooking with whole foods but will also be motivated to incorporate them into their daily culinary adventures, savoring the benefits of vibrant health, heightened vitality, and a lifelong commitment to nutritious and delicious eating. Cooking with Whole Foods for Vibrant Health is a journey into a world of culinary wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to nourish your body, elevate your well-being, and enjoy the remarkable flavors and health benefits of natural, unprocessed ingredients. So, let's embark on this whole food journey and discover the extraordinary benefits it offers for your health and overall culinary satisfaction. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.